Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce 2022 Kymco AK550. Kymco AK550 2022. First updated. Maxi-scooters are the sweet spot between the simplicity of light scooters and the long-range capabilities of heavy touring bikes. In 2001, Yamaha released TMAX Maxi-Scooter, in a certain sense, laid the standard for long-distance cubature scooters, which is still relevant today. Kymco AK550. In 2017, a very similar Maxi-Scooter from a Taiwanese manufacturer entered the market. Kymco AK550, built on the success of TMAX in Europe and Asia. And now, following the announcement of the updated Yamaha TMAX for 2022, the Kymco AK550 has also been updated for the first time in the life of the model. AK550 has the lowest center of gravity in its class. All body components are engineered to give the vehicle a near 50-50 front to rear weight distribution for perfect balance. This strategic placement of the center of gravity provides the most solid foundation for riders to pursue its ultimate handling capability. For 2022, the Kymco AK550 gets a little more touring at the cost of a number of sportier features. For example, its lining is now better protected from the wind, and the windshield has become higher and has received electronic adjustment. At the same time, Kymco updated the saddle. It has become softer and more ergonomic. Powerful 550cc twin-cylinder engine. AK550's newly designed 550 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled twin-cylinder DOHC-8V engine is silky smooth and highly responsive. Its 53 HP output generates powerful acceleration as well as impressive top speed. The power delivery is tuned to suit both spirited adventure riding as well as pleasant touring. The 2022 Kymco AK550 also boasts state-of-the-art electronic features such as traction control, ride modes, and keyless entry. The Maxi-Scooter is still equipped with a 550 cubic centimeters inline 2 producing around 50 horsepower and is now Euro 5 compliant. Performance-oriented chassis. AK550 features upside-down fork front suspension with dual-disc Brembo caliper brakes. It keeps the vehicle agile and steady during cornering and delivers stunning stopping power whenever needed. Getting from A to B will never be the same. Smarter personal transportation with ride mode. On the fully personalizable smart dashboard, ride mode gives you the weather report as you begin your journey, guides you safely to your destination with smart compass, shows you what's around, reminds you how fast you're cruising, and of course, displays the time to help you be punctual. Instrumentation: speedometer, odometer, tachometer, clock, fuel, engine temperature, ambient temperature, voltage. The 2022 AK550 is available in 4 colors: matte silver crystal, space gray, deep blue, and matte black. The updated Kymco AK550 2022 will go on sale in early 2022.